If you've been following our journey, you might have seen that I'm currently on a month-long solo road trip across the East Coast. This week, I'm landing in Washington, D.C., and I'm about to show you the best way to explore our nation's capital. Meeting up with my friend Victoria, we're hopping on electric bikes to breeze past iconic monuments, weave through the National Mall, and uncover hidden gems along the Potomac River. But it's not just about the sights, it's about the connections we make along the way. Catching up with old friends, cooking homemade meals, and making new memories, this journey is just as much about the people as it is about the places. So grab your helmet and let's pedal our way through the best of DC. We're Philip and Kenzie. Born on separate ends of the planet, we somehow met and decided to adventure the world together. From post-meal siestas to pre-flight jitters, we'll cover it all and take you on a tour of the wonders this planet has to offer. So strap in because you're watching Go, Go, Go!
Let's go, bro! So sick!
Good morning, everybody. I have finally gotten everything taken care of, packed up my things. I'm leaving Saraya. Bye, honey. I'm gonna say bye to Sarah and get in my car and start driving to DC. And I have an 8-hour drive ahead of me. So that's gonna be fun. This is the situation right now. I have the rest of my things in my car, like camping gear and books and stuff. I have to fit this in my car. I have to put my seats down and fit this old girl in there. Big Bertha. Actually, I don't know what we've named this suitcase, but let's see here. What do we gotta do? We gotta do some things, y'all. We gotta do some things. It is getting so hot out here. I'm breaking a sweat trying to load my car. It was freezing this morning and now I'm dying. I'm trying to get this thing, which is definitely like 60 pounds, into my car. Oh, this is gonna be so difficult. I really hope that I don't scratch anything. Ugh. I kind of want to put both seats down. Great. Okay, I'm almost there. I gotta come around. Ooh, the struggle. There we go. Much better. Okay, so I think that I have everything. I just need my glasses and I'm ready to go. I'm here in the driver's seat. I'm pulling out of Sarah's house, ready to get this road trip started. It's 8 hours to DC and it's nearly 1 p.m. now, so I should be arriving probably realistically by like 10 p.m. when you factor in various stops. Let's go. I just got $20 worth of snacks. And I don't normally drink coffee, but I'm tired today, so I feel like I need to drink this cold brew. It's good to be safe. It's good to be safe on the streets when you have a suitcase on the sidewalk.
Like the rats.
The rats? I just made it to DC finally. It's like 10:30. Victoria just corralled me in and showed me where to park. And here she is. She's carrying my pillows. So sweet. Dude, it feels like I was just here yesterday, but it was really a year ago, almost like to the month. I like it. No, these houses are so cute. Victoria lives in a dungeon, so we're going down to the dungeon. See, like these are the nice entrances to the upper crust. But we're going to the mantle.
1 bedroom, space is living.
I thought that you said we weren't gonna take any alleyways, and yet here we are.
We're here.
Dun dun dun.
Welcome to my humble abode.
I love this. This is so much fun. I hope we see some rats. Okay.
It's easier going up the stairs than going down.
It turns out that Victoria and I have impeccable taste in running shoes. Oh, here he comes.
No matter how much.
Louis. I'm here in the dungeon of DC. I, once again, couldn't get like a full night's sleep. My sleep schedule is so whack. Now I'm up and I'm gonna go for a run. Hello.
I'm trying to stretch. Hey. You see me stretching? Hello. Stay. Stay. Stretching with Louie, huh? Stretching with Louie. Back up.
I just did a Chloe Ting workout, and let me tell you, she kicks my butt, and apparently her workouts are for beginners. I was reading the YouTube comments one day, and everyone was like, you know that these are supposed to be for beginners, right? Once you're conditioned, this is gonna be too easy, but I don't see that happening anytime soon for me. I just woke up, got a little bit of a warm-up in at home, and now I'm gonna do a run around the neighborhood before starting my workday. It's a beautiful day. It's kind of chilly, it's kind of sunny. Perfect for a run. Whew. After a busy day of work, we decided it was time to switch gears and see the city in a whole new light by hopping on city bikes and pedaling our way through DC's most iconic spots. It is afternoon, we've finished up working, and now we're going on a little bike ride. Victoria's just prepping her bike in our bag. We're bringing pizza. And now we just have to find a bike for me to rent. So that's on the agenda, and we will check in with you when we are exploring wherever we're gonna go.
Literally, the screen is so messed up that we couldn't even read what we were paying for. So Victoria has the app, and she's gonna like use the app to rent the bike. We're doing
electric one, or do you want a?
I think I should have to work for it.
Are you sure?
What do you think?
Electric ones are pretty dope.
I mean, yeah, but also if you're gonna have to work for it, I don't want to have an unfair advantage.
Trust me, my bike is like so light. It's gonna be fun.
I don't know. What do I do? I've never ridden an electric bike. Can I still pedal?
Yeah.
But I could also have the option of it being electric.
Yeah. You can like turn it down.
But I could pedal normally.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's like worth it.
So scared. Okay, I'll do it. I've actually never ridden an electric bike before, so the only thing I'm concerned about is like, what if I rev it too quickly and it just starts jetting down the street and then I eat it and get all scraped up. What do we think? Is this the one? More issues. Victoria hooked me up with this electric bike. She also hooked me up with some wipes, so we did sanitize the bike, and we're ready to go. Let's do this. We stopped at Victoria's boyfriend's house, and he hooked me up with a helmet, so I'm keeping it safe this afternoon. We also enjoyed our smushed pizza. Yeah. And now I'm about to hop on my ride. I love this thing. It's awesome. I was so nervous that I was gonna wreck, but honestly, this is the best thing ever. All right, let's go.
Whether you're a history buff, an outdoor enthusiast, or just looking for a new adventure, biking through DC is a must-do. We rented our bikes from Capital Bike Share, which has stations throughout the city. It's fairly affordable, $1 to unlock the bike, and then 5 cents per minute for classic bikes and 15 cents per minute for e-bikes. They also offer day passes and member pricing. We opted for the e-bikes because the pedal assist makes covering more ground a breeze. As someone who's always on the go, I love finding the most efficient and fun ways to explore a new city. And let me tell you, Washington, D.C. is a dream for anyone who loves to bike. The city is incredibly bike-friendly, with miles of scenic trails like the one we took down the Potomac River. as the sun began to dip below the horizon, we decided to make our way to the National Mall during the magical twilight hour. Our journey started behind the Lincoln Memorial, where we first encountered the Arts of Peace statues. From there, we pedaled around to the front of the awe-inspiring Lincoln Memorial, a tribute to the 16th President of the United States, Abraham Lincoln. Next, we headed to the iconic Lincoln Reflection Pool. You might have recognized this spot from the famous "I Have a Dream" speech by Martin Luther King Jr. Then we made our way to the World War II Memorial with stunning backdrop of the Washington Monument. Our ride continued towards the Capitol building, passing the towering Washington Monument and ending our journey at the seat of the United States Congress. Exploring Washington, D.C. by bike allowed us to see so much of the city in such a short amount of time. It was an unforgettable experience, and I highly recommend it to anyone visiting the Capitol.
You guys, this kitty cat's following us because we want to feed her. So, come on, let's go. Come on. Come on. Oh, come on, little girl. We're going to feed you some fish. We're so close. Come on. Come here, cutie. It's okay. Want some food? It's okay. Yeah, it's okay. We're going to feed you. Yeah, you want some food, huh? Go on. Hey. Look, here.
Getting some nastiness like sardines.
What are they? What?
Sardines.
Oh, you like sardines, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, what a
Here
cute
with
girl.
me. Please catch these rats.
Yeah, we need you to catch all the rats. Hello. Cutie. Do you want some more sardine, huh? We just, made a cat follow us all the way home several blocks, and only for this cat to not like the sardines that we fed her. This cat just gave us the cold shoulder. She was like, "Sardines, you guys are nasty." Today I am going to the eye doctor in Costco. Super excited because I don't have vision insurance and Costco is pretty cheap. Anyway, so that's what I'm doing, getting my eyeballs checked out, and Victoria is gonna browse the store, which I'm super jealous about because I'm gonna be getting those weird dilation drops, and she's just gonna be wildin' in
Might
Costco.
be eating a nasty hot dog or pizza.
The hot dogs are so good at Costco dog with the onions
Guilty
and
pleasure.
relish. Ooh, there's just something about it.
Don't judge me. Don't judge me.
Even the pizza, I like the pizza. I also like the berry ice cream thing. Wow, today I'm seeing my first Costco parking garage. This is a city Costco. Dun dun dun! This is that backdoor VIP access. What? I didn't have room in my purse, so I have my contact samples in my front pocket. It's really cool. I'm ready. I'm ready to see. These guys out. Hello. I feel like it's not a vintage sweater if it's not itchy. Yeah. That's the thing. Good evening. Hello. Welcome to the kitchen. Victoria has showed me something new, and I'm kind of a little bit skeptical about this because I feel like I'm about to eat cat food. But basically it's smoked trout in a can. She just made herself a salad, and I was like, I'll try trout in a can. Here we go. I'm gonna show you guys what this looks like. Look at this. Wow. This reminds me of a few months ago. Phil came home with sardines. Was it sardines? In a can, and we had a lot of fun. Enzo really enjoyed the sardines, though, I must say. It's just trout in a bunch of oil. Check it out. It smells good. It smells like trout. Okay, I am a fan of the trout. The canned smoked trout. It's very good. I have to follow up here because I have one complaint about trout in a can, and that is Victoria's laughing at me. You ever had smoked trout burps?
What?
They're not good. I don't like them. I just feel like I am the trout bubbling in the brook.
Very crazy.
I'm having trout burps.